Hey guys, welcome to Vision Shares. My name is Karthik Gane, and today's episode is about current market trends. Now, everybody knows the stock market has been booming since the past 1 or 2 weeks. It's been going in the upward direction, and I'm going to be talking about what exactly are the types of trends. And there are only three types of trends. One is uptrend, one is a downtrend, and one is a side trend. Now, what happens is now, recently, in the past 2 weeks, since the cases were coming down, everything was kind of unlocking partly. So there was kind of a positive environment, and that's why it actually impacts the stock market, and hence there was more investment from the investors. Obviously, people were putting funds, they wanted more passive income, and since there are many incomes, they were declaring dividend. They were publishing their own financial statement, profit and loss account and balance sheets, and whatever profits they had made quarterly or monthly or yearly. So yeah, this all impacts the stock market, and therefore you had seen the stock market going up. So hence, when the stock market goes up, it's an uptrend, obviously, and when it goes down, it's a downtrend. And side trend is when there is no exactly, it's in the middle. It's not totally going up, it's not totally going down. It's in the middle, up and down and up and down. It's not exactly a straight line either. You can see in the picture here. It's like it's in it's in a time frame. Like as time passes, it's almost kind of like in a straight line, but not exactly a straight line. It's like they are selling and they're buying immediately. Intraday activity. So yeah, I'm going to be talking in this video about what had been happening in the previous some days, and in the next video, that is, I'm going to be uploading it soon. In that, I'm going to be talking about the causes of the trends. What are the causes of an uptrend, what are the causes of a downtrend, and what are the causes of side trend. But in this video, I'm going to be talking only about what is the scenario, what is happening in the stock market right now, what has happened in the stock market right now is that since a few days, I typed actually, since the past few days, the stock market has been on the side trend. What happened is, since there was a boom, like for at least 2 weeks, there was a big boom, and like most of the stocks have actually reached their peak. So what is happening is now is that people are either whatever they had to sell, they have sold all the stocks that they were holding, and now they exactly can't buy again because they won't be making much profit out of those stocks. So whatever activities are happening right now is mostly intraday, like people are buying and selling immediately. So there is not exactly a big up and nor there is a big down. It's like the up and down, a very rather a slight change. It's very minor, I can say. So yeah, the reason for it that the market has reached its all-time high some weeks ago, giving less room for profit making to the investors. Yeah, so the Sensex and the Nifty 50 have hit their 50 to, like, it's not 50, it's all-time high. They had they reached almost 52,000 or something in Sensex, and Nifty 50, I think it hit 15,600 something, some kind of, I don't know exactly. But yeah, it reached its all-time high. So there is less room for profit making. When there is a side trend, it means that the investors are intensifying intraday trading. Most of the stocks have reached or are about to reach their 52-week high. Now, in this year, most of the stocks have been in profit, like the market prices have risen, barring a few of them. But due to this, like the majority of the stocks that have risen up, it pushes obviously the indexes on. You won't be able to make much profits from these stocks. Hence, there is an intraday. People do intraday when you when before if you saw it almost like 6 7 months ago, there were some stocks that were in the middle of the 52-week low and the 52-week high, or even were crashing all the way down to their the lowest point. But that's not the case right now. They have either reached their peaks and have gone higher, or they have reached the peaks and have just settled just below them. Suppose if their peak was 100 rupees, now they must have settled at 98 or 96. Or if it's a good stock, it must have settled at 102. When the stock market is at a downtrend, there is more space to earn profit. But when it is an uptrend, there is not much room for it. Yeah, so when the market seems like it is crashing, people normally don't sell their stock because it goes at a loss. So you wait, and then when you understand that the stock may rebound and go up, you at that point you buy more stocks. and then the prices rebound and then go higher, and then you earn more profits. Hence, they turn towards intraday due to small rise in prices. Now, there is a side trend because intraday is taking place intensively, by the regular stock traders. The only way to correct this side trend is to inject more funds into the market, and the prices will rise, and then the downtrend can start. Now, a side trend is not exactly great for everybody because you're not exactly making good profits, nor are you losing everything. And it has its own goods and bads, but for people who are looking to buy some kind of stocks, to make some good profits, they don't exactly know what to buy because it is all mid stocks have reached their peaks. So the only way to correct this side trend is people actually should start buying more. When you inject more funds, the prices rise, and then whoever has not injected and were already just holding the stocks, they sell, and then the stock falls down, prices go down, and then again people buy more stocks and it goes up again. So you can see where I'm going with this. The only way to inject, like correct side trend is inject more funds, or at least remove all the funds, so that there is some kind of trend, either is going up or is going down. Side trend is like you are coming back to where you left from. You may get profits, but it is not enough in comparison to when a downtrend converts into an uptrend. Now here I have taken a screenshot of the BSE Sensex, like what is the trend of the previous 1 month, like of you can see the date here 8 June, and before that it was 8th May. Now you can see I have marked here like there was a downtrend, and then the uptrend started because of the drops in COVID cases, and then hospitals were doing well, the banks were giving, you know, working well, and there were many kind of schemes coming out by the government. And then you can see, once the BSE hit its peak, then there was side trend because there was not exactly selling and buying in large. It was just intraday. So there's a side trend. The same goes in about Nifty 50. You can see the downtrend, and then there was an uptrend, and a side trend happened. Okay, so that's it in this video. That's all this have. I'm going to be uploading another video where I'm going to be talking about the causes of a side trend and downtrend. So be stay tuned and don't miss out the video. So yeah, see you and stay tuned.